Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to go ahead and set your language in your iPhone settings. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the settings on our iPhone if you have not already. So if you do not already have them opened up or do not know how to open it up, just go to the home page of your iPhone right here and find the settings icon. So we're going to go ahead and open up settings. From here, this is going to go ahead and open up this new settings menu from where we can get started browsing all the settings we have for our iPhone, and we are going to go and scroll down a bit until you find the general settings right here. This is what you want to tap on to open it up. Once you open up your general settings, this is now going to go ahead and enable us to manage all the general settings of our iPhone. And if you scroll down, go ahead and bit, you're going to go ahead and be able to find this option that says language and region. This is what you want to open up. By tapping on language and region, this is going to go ahead and enable you to select your preferred languages. As you can see right here at the top of the screen, you have the language you're using, and you can go ahead and add a new language if you wish. So by clicking add a language, it's going to enable you to select the new language that you want to use for your iPhone. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and manage it right here, which one you want to use as the main language, how many languages you want, and so on. And you have different options here as well, such as your region, calendar, temperature, and so on. And that is how to go ahead and set it up. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So thanks for watching today's one. I hope to see you next one, and bye.